Hey, good morning. It's Tony talking car biz. I'm here at the dealership this morning. Going to take a quick look at this 2020 Toyota RAV4 XLE hybrid. And the purpose of this video is to point out a couple of the accessories that have been added to this vehicle. Wanted to get your thoughts or opinions on these accessories. So from the factory, this one did come with the factory installed Bodyside Moldings, which are these rub strips right here. They're colored to match, so they're painted to the same color as the vehicle, and they run down both sides of the vehicle, the front door and the back door. The idea is they add some extra body side protection from grocery carts, bicycles, those types of things. And from the factory, those are $209. What do you think? Is that a feature you'd want to add that extra protection? It does change the body style of it a little bit, so let me know what you think. And then second off, up here on the roof, every RAV4 comes with the roof rails. That's these black rails that run the entire length of the roof. And you can add these crossbars either from the factory, which this one does, or you can get them in our parts department. And so those add $315 to the price of the vehicle, and they allow you to put items on top of the vehicle like bicycles, snow skis, kayaks, that type of thing. So what do you think? Is that worth the extra money? It certainly changes the style of it with the Bodyside Moldings, gives it a little bit different look. Then we're going to go ahead and dive inside, and I'll show you the custom leather seats and the heated seats. So jumping into the inside, this particular XLE RAV4, we installed right here at the dealership custom leather seats. So these are cat skin leather seats, and it's actually a leather seat cover that goes over the original factory cloth. And then this particular leather is black with the white stitching, which pairs up nicely with the stitching across the dashboard as well. And then it is a perforated leather seat, so it's got all these little holes in it so they breathe a little bit better. And the customer wanted to have leather seats on an XLE, so we added these black leather seats for them. What do you think? Would you want custom leather seats on your RAV4, or do you just prefer to stick with the cloth seats? Now, interestingly, we can add these seats to any RAV4. So we could add it to an LE, XLE, even a limited. If you didn't like the factory leather seats, we could replace it with these soft custom leather seats. Totally up to you. The other item that this customer added was the aftermarket heated seats, and that's what the switch is right here for this seat, and there's one over on this side for the driver's seat. And so this one did not have the all-weather package, so the customer went ahead and had us add the leather seats and the aftermarket heated seats. Now we can do either one of them for you. If you just want leather, we could just do leather. If you just want heated seats, we could do that. Or we could do both. And what's more interesting is we could actually add these leather seats to an LE, XLE, or even a limited. If you didn't care for the factory leather, we could add this custom soft leather to your RAV4 or any Toyota. So there's some of the options and features that are on this particular XLE. I hope you found this helpful. This is Tony talking car biz. Thanks for watching.